Hey y'all, your GLP-1 girlie want to have a word with y'all real quick. So guess what your girl did? Y'all, so y'all know I was splitting my doses. Those of you who follow your girl, come follow. If you are on a GLP-1 journey, what are you doing? Yeah, come join us up over here. But anyway, y'all, so I went to do my dose on Sunday and forgot that I was splitting my doses to help me be able to eat a little bit more. So check this out. I had COVID back in sometime in November, and that joint lasted. That health I ain't want to go away for nothing. Like we was all sick, okay? You heard me? Like we was sick. So no Thanksgiving meal, no holiday food, not for Thanksgiving, not for Christmas, and not for the New Year. I just knew I was going to be eating good. So I still had the stuff I was going to at least make for the New Year and didn't get to make it. So I said, well, I'm split my doses. Maybe I'll be able to eat a little something, treat myself. Because I did not gain any weight over the holidays. I was too sick. And I've had to split my doses to be able to eat a decent amount. So let me show y'all what I ended up cooking up. Let me tell you what it was first. So I made some white beans with some smoked sausage in it. If you don't eat pork, sorry for ya. No, y'all, because I done thought about going vegan several times. Have tried it for like 2 months or so like that, but I was like, I got a taste for some white beans. White beans are great northern beans for those that don't know. And my family is from Louisiana, of course. The boot. I live in Las Vegas, but I was ready to throw down. I was ready to grub. And I just knew on this half a dose, I was going to be able to do a little something. So I let me show you the white beans and stuff I made, as well as I made some turkey wings, some baked turkey wings in gravy. I made baked turkey wings in gravy, y'all. And when I say it was smelling so good up over chia, it was smelling good. You heard me? It was smelling real good. And so let me show y'all. Let me show you. Let me show you. So yeah, we had the beans here, and we had to get down with the turkey wings and bake them. They're a little healthier that way. But anywho, how y'all want some? Come get a plate. But I say all this to say GLP-1s be GLP-1ing. Okay. I'm on semaglutide and I am on the 2 milligram dose. I may try to go up because I've been like a little bit at a standstill, but I haven't been focusing on my protein as much as I usually do. And I got to get back on my vibration plate because I've been kind of slacking this week. So yeah, there's things that you can do. Like if y'all have a stall, there's things that you can do. But um, I say this to say I was not able to even touch half of that bowl I fixed. Not even half. So disappointing. When you want to eat, you can't be able to eat. But y'all, it's crazy. But that's why the journey is journeying, and that's why we looking good, looking cute. I forgot to tell y'all these overalls right here are a medium. I ain't want no 9 in juniors, and I don't know how long. I was last in women's 14, and which was considered plus sizes. And I'm petite, y'all. I'm only 4'11". So I just wanted to tell y'all before I take this off because I did a OOTD today. This is from Shein. This top right here. These overalls are from Ross, but I got these out the juniors department, and they are size 9, and they are considered a medium. But I'm telling y'all, I was wearing an extra large in plus sizes, a 14 in women, and a 13 in juniors. And so, not bad. I'm on week 26, and yeah, not bad at all. Hey. So that's all I wanted to tell y'all. Carry on, carry on. Make sure y'all follow if you ain't followed your girl. All right. Oh, and I'm chic, by the way. All right, y'all.